Hello, today we're going to look at how you can do a to-do list for your project team. In my previous video we looked at how you could print off a diary of their tasks, but this is just a table of tasks that are coming up that they need to do. So first things first, I'm in my Gantt view. I'm going to go to Report and I'm going to click on New Report and I want it to be a table. I'm going to call it To-Do List and click OK. I need to give it a different name. Let's call it version 2. All right. Okay, so this is our little area where we can build out our report. You can see to the right-hand side we've got the parameters, if you like, that we can add to the report, and then we've got a preview here in this bigger area of the screen. So first things first, I want to add my resource names, and I want it to show all tasks rather than just the summary. So you can see, let me just drag this across. There you go. You can see the outline level that's been set by default is project summary. I'm going to say that I want to see all of my subtasks. There we go. Okay, now, obviously I just want this to-do list to be for particular resources. So I'm going to add a filter using resource, and I'll select the development team and I'm going to click OK. All right, let's just drag this back so it's smaller so we can see what we've got so far. There we go. There's our to-do list for the development team. And you can see that this is actually for the entire project. We might well want to, let's just make this bigger. That's better. We might well want to produce this to-do list for date range. And we can easily do that. Let's go back to show up our field list. So I've just right clicked and I'm going to click show field list so it appears again. And let's add using resource in date range, and here we can select development team. And we want to select resources that start or finish after, let's say, 1st of October and before the 1st of January. Click OK. There we go. And now we've got our to-do list in a date range. And obviously we can print this off if we need to